Hello students, today we have a 2022 IGCSE Maths question May-June sitting. Table shows the number of tigers reported to be living in 2024 in some countries. Using the table, find the number of tigers in Nepal as a percentage of number of tigers in Bangladesh. So we just take the number of Nepal tigers divided by Bangladesh tigers times by 100 since we are finding a percentage, and we'll get an answer of 186.8%. The next question, find the ratio of tigers of Bangladesh, Indonesia and India and give your answer in its simplest form. So you write down the number of tigers. This is Bangladesh, this is Indonesia and this is India. So once you get the three numbers, I see that there's a common factor of 53. We divide them and we'll get it in its simplest form of 2, 7 and 42. So 5 years later, the number of tigers reported in India was 2967. Find the percentage increase. So we take the final minus initial divided by initial. So this is the final, this is the initial, initial divided by the initial, and you have to times by 100 because it's always 100%. So you get an answer of 33.3%. The number of tigers in India in 2014 approximately 30.4% greater than in the year 2010. So find the number of tigers in India in 2010. So this is where we actually back calculate. So this question is the same. So they say 2014 has a 30.48% more of tigers compared to 2010. So 2014 is actually a final. So the final is what they gave you on the table, which is 2226 minus initial. Initial is the thing that you are finding now. So we label it X over initial times by 100. So first thing that you move over is 100. So it becomes 30.48 divided by 100. You'll get 0.3048. And then bringing the X over to multiply, you'll get 0.3048 times X. Then you bring the minus X over, it becomes plus X. So you'll get 1.3048x equals to 2226. So to get X, you bring this over to divide. You'll get X equals to 1706. This is the number of tigers in 2010. Last question. At the start of June, a hive has a population of 2000 bees. 3 months after June, it has 2662 bees. So the population of hive can be calculated using a formula, AB power X, where P is the population. Okay, so by finding the values of A and B, calculate the population of hive 7 months after the start of June. So firstly is to find values A and B. So we know that when P equals to 2000, X equals to 0, right? Initial. And P equals to 2662, X is 3, which is 3 months. So we replace equation 1, values 1 to find out what is A. So we put 2000 equals to AB power 0. We will get A equals to 2000. Then we replace the second values. We get 2662 equals to AB power 3. And when we know A is 2000, we use that value here. So solving this will give you an answer of B equals to 1.1. So now having these two values, we can sub it into the equation where A is 2000, B is 1.1 and X is 7 months. So you'll get your answer of P equals to 3897. 3897. Thank you for watching.